Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Java in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and then here you need to search for Java. Click enter and it will going to give you java.com. You can simply click on Java Oracle and then you're going to get the option called download Java for desktop. Click on that, click on download Java for desktop, and after that it will going to start downloading java.exe file. If you click on it 2 times to install, it will going to click on install and it will going to install in Java in your device. As you can see, you have successfully installed Java. You can simply see. So now if you close it, and now what here we have to do, we need to open the file explorer. Simply come over into local C drive and simply open program files. After here you can simply find Java. If you click on that and simply click on Java, and then if you just simply copy, or if you click on the bin and simply copy this location and simply go for start icon and simply search for system properties. If you click on that, and then you're going to find out, and here the system properties windows will be pops up, and here you need to select advanced option and click on environment variables. If you click on that, then you need to come over into system variables, and then here you need to select path. Into the path you need to click on edit and click on new and simply paste the file location you copied. Click OK, OK and OK. That's it. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Java in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.